welcome to Alter the Matrix. If you're watching this video, it's because you've thought about learning meditation. It has crossed your mind somehow, and for good reasons. Maybe it's stress, anxiety, anger, insecurities, feeling lost, or maybe just to find a deeper connection, or to find your purpose in this life. You must have heard inspiring quotes. The key to your salvation is deep within you. To change the world, you must first change yourself. The kingdom of God is deep within you. And these are all true. Meditation is a journey of self-awareness, and within you, you will find yourself. I've been consistently meditating on a daily basis for the last 7 years, and today I can't begin to tell you just how much this practice has altered my life for the better. Well, today I will teach you how to meditate. Now, before we begin, I have to tell you that like anything worth your time, this will require some discipline on your end. But it will be easy and rewarding, I promise. Put at least 5 minutes into this practice on a daily basis. What's 5 minutes a day, right? I'm sure you waste more than 5 minutes a day doing more self-destructive things than meditation, right? Once you've decided that you're ready to make the jump, you will commit to meditate every single day. There will be days where you won't feel like meditating. Meditate anyway, but just for 5 minutes. Now, there will be days where you really won't feel like meditating at all. Again, I say meditate, but just for 5 minutes. You see, that way you won't break the flow of your practice. Consistency is key here. That's the trick. On any other day, aim to meditate for about 15 to 20 minutes a day. That is a decent time for meditation. Now, some Zen masters will say that if you don't have enough time to meditate for 1 hour a day, you should be meditating for 2 hours a day. You don't need to go that far, but it serves the point. Eventually, you'll reach a point where you enjoy meditating so much that when you open your eyes, over an hour will have passed, and with ease. That will be fantastic. But for now, let's keep it simple. Step 1, location. Choose a nice quiet place in your home that will become your sacred space. A corner of a room works perfect. You will always meditate in the same place. Choose a space that is away from any noise or any light with little distractions. And keep away from any electronics as much as possible. TV, Wi-Fi, cell phones, or any other electronics. You will imprint this space with your own meditation energy. Eventually, just by sitting there, you will feel at peace. Use a nice comfortable pillow to sit on. If you can't sit on the floor, use a straight chair. That will do. But don't ever meditate on your bed. You should not associate meditating with sleeping, or else you'll constantly fall asleep during your practice. Step 2, preparation. Now, this step is not mandatory, but it does help incredibly. You want to use everything to your advantage here, and this step is gold if you ask me. This is basically setting your meditation sacred space kind of like an altar. Use the ones that you resonate with. Most people think that meditation will instantly get rid of stress, but you must do your preparation to get the most out of your meditation. Shower. Before your meditation and before entering your sacred space, take a nice warm shower. It cleanses your body, but also energetically, you feel lighter and more at peace. It relaxes you. And of course, if it's the evening, change your day clothes to something clean and comfortable. Use this to your advantage. Sound or noise. Make sure you have a very quiet space to eliminate distractions. If not possible, use earplugs like these ones. Not only will they isolate the sound, but they will actually help you focus on the sound of your breath, which is essentially the most important part of this practice. Lights. Turn all the lights off or have very dim lights on. If not possible, use an eye mask like this one to cover your eyes completely from any light. You don't want to see any disturbing light, whether your eyes are open or closed. Light a candle and do some candle gazing for about 2 to 3 minutes prior to meditating. Focus on the dancing flame. Watch the way the flame dances. Let it mesmerize you. It will calm your spirit and get you ready to dive deeper. For thousands of years, our ancestors have gazed at fire for hours and hours. This was their television. It's almost as if it's now imprinted in our DNA. We just love fire. When we go camping, we stare at it for hours and hours ourselves. It's mesmerizing and soothing. It takes us someplace deep within our soul. Use this to your advantage. Smell. If you can tolerate it, find and burn some incense that pleases you. This will activate your sense of smell, further stimulating and sending signals to the brain that we're about to shift our consciousness and enter sacred space. Over time, whenever you will burn it, you will instantly get in that zone. Now, some people can't tolerate incense. If you're one of them, skip this step. Energetic cleanse with white sage. White sage is what shamans use to cleanse negative energies. Stress and anxiety are negative energies. So again, use this to your advantage. It's better to use it before meditation. So just burn some and cleanse your space. And then also smudge your body. And then just turn it off for the meditation. Crystals. Acquire and place some crystals around you or on your altar. This will really help boost the overall energy. Quartz crystals are the best. I also recommend amethyst. Now, crystals will also help you open up to become more receptive. That's it for step 2. Now, again, these are not mandatory, but if you want to go deeper, quickly, have more efficient and successful results with your practice, I highly suggest them. These tools that I found in my journey have greatly improved and helped my practice, so I really suggest them. Step 3, sit with your straight spine and your chin tucked in. You want to get comfortable, but not too comfortable either. Ideally, you want to sit on the floor cross-legged, but if you want, you can use a chair, as long as your back is nice and straight. Also, you want to align your neck, so tuck in your chin in order to keep your neck aligned with your back. If you suffer from back pains, you can also sit with your back against the wall to support it in order to keep it nice and straight. Again, align also the neck. You want to do everything possible here to help you stay in your practice longer. Step 4, your hands or mudras. Lightly pinch both your index with your thumbs, or if you prefer, place one hand on top of the other, touching the tips of both thumbs. Or even easier, place both your hands in a receptive position and rest them over your knees. Step 5, close your eyes and start breathing with your belly. Belly breathing. Now this is the single most important part of meditation, the breath. You slowly inhale with your belly, not your chest, with your belly. You slowly inhale while slowly filling up the belly. And then you hold it. Once full, you hold it for about 3 seconds. And then you slowly release, exhale, while releasing the belly. And you repeat this process again and again. Do it again. You can do it right now as I say it. Slowly inhale, fill the belly. Hold it for about 3 seconds. And release. This is the belly breathing, and you repeat over and over again this process. If you ever notice the baby, belly breathing is what they do naturally. Chest breathing is what we do when we're stressed or angry or scared, in fight or flight mode. Right? The chest is pumping. We don't want that. So it's very important to do conscious belly breathing at all times to stimulate full relaxation. This is actually also something they teach you in martial arts. Step 6. Watch your thoughts, become the observer. Your mind wanders a lot, and that's normal. It's okay. You might find yourself judging your thoughts or even your sensations, and it's okay, but try to observe without judgment. Try to disassociate your thoughts from your breath. You observe and focus on your breath, and when thoughts appear, you acknowledge them as thoughts. Oh, these are just thoughts. And then you bring your awareness back down to the breath. And you repeat this cycle over and over again. So you're focused on your breath, all of a sudden thoughts appear, and they will, because they like to do that. You acknowledge your thoughts. Here I am thinking again. Okay, you disassociate. I'm going to focus on the breath now. And then your thoughts are gone and you're focusing on the breath again. So you repeat this over and over again. You will find that most of your time meditating, especially in the beginning, will be spent taking your awareness back down to the breath. Because of chatty thoughts, that is normal. Let it be. It's part of the process. This is meditation. Don't get discouraged. Focus on this for now. Make it a daily practice. Reinforce it to make it a daily habit. And don't forget to enjoy the process. Eventually, when you become better at it, you will be able to go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper into the rabbit hole. I'll make other videos to elaborate on this. Again, enjoy the process, and may you find inner peace.